I am an old man, devoid of care, devoid of respect. My children, my careless children, apathetic of loving me, yet have kept me to boast of their kind hearts. I am haunted not by my state, but looking at them, how poor.
Splendid.
I am an old man, I am literature. From Canterbury Tales to King Lear,
Awesome.
I was respected by Chaucer, Keats, Sylvia, and Shakespeare.
Wonderful.
How bright were the days, how serene the nights. I giggled in the lap of Manto. I relished the moments with Blake. I remember I was the crown on the head of Ghalib, Iqbal, Mir, and John. I was loud like an infant. I am literature. Oh, the self-proclaimed Wordsworth, Shakespeare, Jones, and Ghalibs. I am literature, mighty enough to launch 1,000 ships, mighty enough to destroy Macbeth and Faustus, melodious enough to be music to your ears. You are but a speck of dust against my legacy. I am a powerful young man. I am literature.
I am literature.